Springbrook Plateau, overlooking the coast, forms part of a volcanic caldera that locals dub the Green Cauldron. The pathways here take you through Yugambeh Country, where people have lived for tens of thousands of years. Yugambeh people say from the sky and stars came the creation ancestor, Jabreen. Seeing this land was without form, Jabreen created rivers and valleys. This became the homeland of the Yugambeh. We're making our way to a waterfall known as Rainbow Falls.
So refreshing.
Feel that mist.
Yugambeh people say Jabreen sent water to fall on this land and give it life. Cascading here, flowing gently there, nurturing all living things along the way.
It's gorgeous. Imagine how many people have actually stood here and enjoyed this same cleansing.
Since millennia.
Thousands and thousands of years, yeah, definitely. It's kind of like a ritual thing, you know, like it's actually, you can pass through this place and be cleansed. People in the past would have gravitated towards, because everything's here. You get a sense of life, sustenance. I love that feeling. Just you come from the desert, we never have anything like this.
Yeah.
We belong to this land. It has a real strong connection to our spirit. We come from this place.